show that I'm more than just a rumor or a song on your computer. There's more to me than people know. Some days I'm broke, some days I'm rich, some days I'm nice, some days I can be a bitch. Some days I'm strong, some days I quit. I don't let it show, but I've been through some shit.
What is up, y'all? I am back with another video for you, and today I am going to do another Sephora Play unboxing. This is June's edition. I feel like I haven't done one in forever, but I know I did one last month, I think. Actually, I don't remember. It feels like I haven't. But yeah, let's just get on with June's Sephora Play. I always lose my scissors, so I'm going to be opening this. Always lose them. Woo! I like this box. So the box, or the bag today is this pink and blue, and it just says hot, hot, hot everywhere with a palm tree. Forgot what the name was. And then also, you always get these 50% off thing, or 50 points in that pamphlet thing. So the first thing I grab, ooh, 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 ooh. Everything is packing each other. So I got the Milk Makeup Kush mascara, and it just looks like this. I need more mascara anyways. Running out. Ooh, it's the big brush. I like what I like to have. I didn't know how I was gonna word that. Like. Nope. Definitely gonna probably like that for sure. Next is this big bottle of Miracle Multiplying Volume Mist, and so it's just a volumizing spray for your hair. So you spray it before you blow dry your hair. I never really blow dry my hair, so that is that. Ooh, ooh, ooh! I kind of want to wear this today. So this is the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquefying Lipstick, and it just looks like this, and it's in Queen Bee. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I'm kind of obsessed already. Ooh, ooh, ooh. It's like a dark pink nude color. I love that color. Oh my gosh. Next, I also got a Prada Candy perfume sample, and this is Sugar Pop. And it just came in a bag like this. I feel like all the samples they give us smell the same. Honestly. I keep getting these. How many? Should I count how many Believe things I have right now? 2. I know I have one in my bathroom, so 3. And then 4 in here. So 7 Believe things. Jeez, they just give out samples like crazy. Never have to buy Believe sample or products because they're always selling them. Why do I have... Oh. That makes sense. Then also a Clinique. Oh my god, Clinique. I can't say that. And this is just a makeup remover. So it's gonna be like the Miracle Water stuff. But that is it in this Sephora Play bag. I'm actually really like this bag. Actually, it's pretty much everything I might use. I'm really excited for the lip. I'm definitely gonna exchange my lip probably when this comes off, and then put this on, and then I will always just use a makeup remover. I think this is pretty much the only thing I won't be using because I don't blow dry my hair, but it's gonna be used, like, let's be honest. But yeah, I'm really proud of this. I'm really happy with this bag this month. Definitely a great bag, and yeah, that is everything I have for you for this video. So why I didn't actually remember that I did last month's Sephora Play unboxing, because I never did it. It's right here. So, you're getting 2 for 1 today. Because I was about to clean off these boxes, and I just have another box right up here, and I needed to throw it away, and I forgot to take it upstairs. Obviously, like 2 minutes later. But today, so I opened it, and just all I see is this rope. It's part of the bag. So obviously you get the pamphlet. And then 2 months, May's bag looked like this. So May was a crazy month for me. It was just really, really hard. So yes. So in May's bag we got a thickening spray from Bumble and Bumble. I never think thickening sprays do anything, let's be honest. But I also have thick hair. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And then you got a perfume sample from Victor and Rolf. Ooh, I like that one. I do like that one. I like more of the cologne smelled perfumes. And then we have a Bye Bye Professional, or Bye Bye the Professional Pore Primer thing. Words, don't have them ever. What else is new? Next I have, ooh, I did have a Becca highlighter, but it broke. And this is in champagne pop. I have one. I have the big one. It's fine. I'll fix it. Woo! Another mask. A Sephora Play matte, or a Sephora Mud Mask Purifying Mattening Mask thingy. Definitely love masks. Why did I smell that? Because that was disgusting. Don't recommend smelling it at all. And then I got the waterproof, and then I got the Kat Von D waterproof tattoo liner. I love this stuff, so definitely happy with that. So for the May box, I actually really enjoyed that one too. I guess they're really stepping up their game, giving us a variety of different ones, even though I've had the Professional before and the Believe stuff, but you know, what do you get? It's $10 a month. It's just going to be probably repeats all the time, so that's fine. I'm good with that. I'm not going to complain. So yeah, that is both May and June's Sephora Play unboxing, since I missed a month, but I made it up for y'all. So yeah, that is it for you guys today. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Give it a big thumbs up so other people can find me as well. Comment down below anything you'd like me to do next. You can follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, and my Facebook page. There'll be a link down below, and I hope to see y'all in my next video. Bye.
I've patrolled these empty thoughts before, but I'm fixed now on the cure. I'm holding on to the lost rock on the mountaintop, and I'm begging for your love. Do you remember the type of folk we used to be, and the simple souls we used to see?